Welcome to alsaad school system. Assalamualaikum class. How are you all? Good class. Today our topic is good manners. Good manners is very important for us to behave to everyone. Class, today we learn about magic words. There are 4 magic words. Please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry. Say with me, please. Thank you, excuse me, and sorry. Thus, always say please to make a request. Always say please to make a request. Always say thank you to express gratitude. Always say thank you to express gratitude. We always say excuse me to get someone's attention. We always say excuse me to get someone's attention. We always say sorry if you hurt someone. We always say sorry if you hurt someone. Okay, class? These are magic words. When you want something, what do you say? Good. When you want something, what do you say? Good. When you get something, what do you say? Good. When you go to sneeze, what do you say? Good. When you hurt someone, what do you say? Good. Sorry. I hope so, class. You learned very well about magic words. Allah